Get down, you coop. This is a cat catching a bird. While the mama bird is up there in the tree.
Come on, Pop.
Still alive.
We will not have any part in it. Come on.
Yeah. She fucking that motherfucker up. That is dead now, ladies and gentlemen. It's dead now. Still alive. Still alive. Oh, shit, he threw that motherfucker up in the air. Get it, mama. Get it. Let her know who the boss. Let her know who the boss. Let her know who won something.
Go back to the store. I forgot to get Mama cigarette.
Let her know who won something. Let her know who gonna play. Let her know who gonna play. Get down, YouTube. Let's have a black cat kill a
Oh,
bird.
that is so nasty.
How we do it around this bitch. Come on, you gotta get it out the porch though. Get it out the... Mama keep bringing it back on the porch. I just kicked it out the porch. Yo, he's been through it. He did and hit the camera.
Baby, just stop being morbid.
This is the famous cat moment. The goddess of the streets,
That's not
ladies and
cool,
gentlemen.
everybody. Nobody should do that to an animal. It's okay to shoot people, but don't kill the animals.
Unless they're already dead.
You never
But what about an animal killing another animal?
Ugh,
Look. That's it, A.
that is so nasty. Baby, stop being nasty. And go get Mama a cigarette.
Get it, girl. Get it. We don't play. Right.
Like, no one.
Flip it. Flip it. That's what I'm talking about. Sure, we don't play. Sure, we don't play, mama.
She eating it, Mama.
I kicked it out the porch. She brought it back.
She playing with it like a ball. Baby, would you stop it and go get Mama a cigarette, please? Okay.
All right.
Baby, eat it.
Come on.
I don't want to go.
Oh, give me money.
Okay, get it. Pop, go eat the cheeseburger. We'll be right back.
And that includes eating the bird.